If you're serious about car diagnostics in 2026, a standard code reader won't cut it anymore. Modern vehicles are packed with complex electronic control units, and you need a scanner that can do it all. Imagine sending commands directly to your car's systems, running active tests, unlocking hidden features, and performing full ECU coding, all from a single device. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the right scanner can save you hours of work, prevent costly mistakes, and reveal capabilities you didn't even know existed. Today, we're breaking down the best OBD2 scanners with ECU coding in 2026, and if you're ready to grab one of these scanners, all product links are waiting for you in the description below. TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro is a professional-grade OBD2 diagnostic tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and mechanics. At $372, it delivers full system diagnostics, bidirectional control, ECU coding, and 35-plus service functions, covering over 100 car brands, including BMW, Mercedes-Benz, VW, GM, Ford, Toyota, and more. 2 years of software updates and AutoVin technology ensure every session is fast, accurate, and current. Advanced ECU coding maximizes vehicle capabilities. Compatible with VW, Audi, Skoda, Seat, Benz, and others, it allows you to uncover hidden features, disable unnecessary functions, and code retrofitted components for peak performance. Always back up before coding and avoid low battery sessions to ensure safe operations. Efficient diagnostics with bidirectional control save time. The ArtiDiag Pro lets you test individual actuators in real time, covering lights, door locks, fuel and coolant systems, windows, wipers, EVAP, and more. Issues are pinpointed and resolved quickly, making complex diagnostics seamless. 35-plus service functions resolve 90% of maintenance challenges. Clear oil maintenance indicators with oil reset, manage brakes with EPB reset, define straight-line reference positions with steering angle reset, perform DPF regeneration, TPMS resets, ABS bleeding BMS resets, ADBLUE resets, power balance checks, throttle adaptations, and suspension resets. Every service is designed to reduce time on routine maintenance while ensuring accuracy. FCA AutoAuth ensures secure diagnostics. Supports Fiat, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Renault, and Fiat vehicles 2017 and later, providing authorized access to SGW systems. Full system OE-level diagnostics cover every major vehicle system. Engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, ESP, immobilizer, steering, and air conditioning systems are all accessible. Live data monitoring, real-time reporting, and automated diagnostic reports streamline workflow and provide precise insights. At $372, TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro delivers professional-grade diagnostics, ECU coding, and maintenance functions in one compact, efficient package. XTOOL D8S. XTOOL D8S is a 2025 upgrade of the D8, a professional OBD2 scanner designed for mechanics, workshops, and home do-it-yourselfers. Priced at just $500, it provides a complete solution for 99% of vehicles, featuring 4,000-plus active tests, full system diagnostics, 42-plus resets, advanced electronic control unit coding, programmable module installation, and up to 8-parameter identification live data graphs. It supports Fiat Chrysler automobile systems, controller area network with flexible data rate, diagnostic over Internet Protocol, pre-scan and post-scan operations, and 23 languages, handling complex repairs efficiently and accurately. Topology mapping makes diagnostics intuitive and precise. Advanced electronic control unit coding and programmable module installation unlock hidden features. It supports BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, Mazda, Toyota, Lexus, Scion, and Lincoln, enabling higher-level functions to improve performance. Programmable module installation allows electronic control unit data to be programmed into new modules for Ford, Lincoln, and Mazda. OE-level full system diagnostics cover more than 150 brands from 1996. Access all vehicle modules to read live data streams, freeze frames, and electronic control unit information. Commands include fuel trim resets, radiator fan on and off, throttle modulation, mirror tests, lights on and off, and horn activation. 42 plus maintenance functions solve 99% of repair challenges. Reset oil maintenance indicators, electronic parking brake, steering angle sensor, battery management system, throttle body, air suspension, injector coding, power balance, headlight adjustment, transmission adaptation, fuel trim learning, camshaft and crankshaft sensor recalibration, zero-point calibration, language changes, air-fuel ratio settings, and stop-start systems. Powerful hardware keeps diagnostics fast and reliable. A quad-core 1.8 GHz central processing unit, 4 GB of random access memory, 64 GB of read-only memory, and a wired connection deliver stable performance. XTOOL D8S combines advanced diagnostics, electronic control unit coding, and 42 plus service functions in a single professional scanner for $520. THINKCAR 689BT. THINKCAR 689BT is a professional-grade bidirectional automotive scan tool designed for mechanics and car enthusiasts who demand speed, precision, and complete vehicle coverage. It works immediately after powering on, with no complicated registration, letting you get straight to diagnostics without delay. It is built on an Android 10 platform with a 4-core CPU, 4 GB RAM, and 64 GB storage, delivering performance up to 5 times faster than older Max, Mini, or Plus scanners. Wireless updates come at no extra cost, keeping the device current without subscription fees. Designed to save money and time, THINKCAR 689BT covers full bidirectional controls, ECU coding, 34 plus service functions, and OEM-level diagnostics for worldwide vehicle makes. It supports CANFD and DOIP protocols and FCA AutoAuth for authorized diagnostics, providing professional-grade capabilities that would otherwise require multiple devices. With over 3,000 active tests, you can send commands to fuel systems, injectors, windows, mirrors, door locks, pumps, and valves without touching the vehicle controls. THINKCAR 689BT adds powerful advanced features like ECU coding, power balance, flashing hidden functions, resetting adaptive data, matching replaced components, and customizing OE settings. You can change interior light colors, toggle auto hold, customize dash kits, activate automatic side mirror folding, and disable auto start-stop functions depending on your vehicle's model and year. The scanner provides 34 essential service functions for over 140 makes, including new additions like clutch, ECU, FRM, gate, RL sensor, and turbo resets. Popular maintenance tools such as oil reset, EPB, BMS, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coding, gearbox match, suspension, and crankshaft relearn remain fully supported. At an OE level, THINKCAR 689BT accesses all vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, brakes, TPMS, battery, and SRS, allowing you to read and clear codes quickly and reliably. Its intuitive interface makes navigating diagnostics simple, even for beginners, while delivering the speed and functionality of a professional garage tool. With all these capabilities packed into one device, THINKCAR 689BT provides high-end diagnostics, advanced ECU coding, and complete service coverage for just $500, making it a smart investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike. THINKCAR ThinkDiag 2. THINKCAR ThinkDiag 2 is a wireless all-system OBD2 scanner that brings dealership-level diagnostics straight to your smartphone. Designed for iOS and Android, it's the perfect tool for professional mechanics, small workshops, and serious car enthusiasts who want advanced performance without high costs. Built for precision, it delivers OE-level diagnostics with full CANFD protocol support, covering every major system including ECM, ABS, SRS, TCM, EPB, TPMS, SAS, air conditioning, and battery management. It reads and clears fault codes, monitors live data, and retrieves detailed module information. CANFD ensures full compatibility with newer GM models from 2019 and beyond, saving you extra costs on adapters while guaranteeing error-free scans. It also features full bidirectional control, letting you command and test vehicle components directly from your phone. From AC clutches and windows to doors and sunroofs, every active test helps you locate faults instantly. Advanced ECU coding lets you refresh hidden functions, fine-tune performance, and correctly match replaced parts with the ECU. With more than 15 maintenance functions, THINKDIAG 2 handles vital resets like oil, EPB, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coding, and TPMS. Entering the all-system diagnostic menu unlocks even more service options depending on the vehicle, allowing quick and complete resets or relearns across major brands. Supporting over 120 makes worldwide THINKDIAG 2 works on all 12-volt gasoline and diesel vehicles built after 1996. It includes FCA AutoAuth to access secure SGW modules on Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat vehicles. The built-in AutoVIN function instantly identifies the vehicle's make, model, and year, generating complete health reports in seconds. You can record live data streams, view them in real-time graphs, and share or print detailed reports right from your device. That wraps up our breakdown of the best OBD2 scanners with ECU coding in 2026. From full system diagnostics to bidirectional controls and advanced ECU features, these tools give you the power to work smarter, faster, and with confidence. If you're ready to upgrade your diagnostic game, check the product links in the description below. They're waiting for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another in-depth tool review. Your garage deserves the best, and now you know exactly what to get.